Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to remove 2017 Ford Escape Tail Light Easy Guide. Begin by disconnecting the battery negative terminal and opening the hatch to access the tail light fasteners. Remove any cargo or cover panels that block the bolts, and set up a clean, well-lit workspace with a soft blanket to protect the bumper and trim while you work. Next, remove the screws and bolts that hold the tail light in place using a socket or screwdriver, and be patient with stubborn clips. Carefully pull the assembly outward just enough to reach the wiring connector, and avoid forcing the lens or bending the tabs. If a clip resists, back out the fastener and try prying from the opposite side to protect the paint and plastic components. With the tail light pulled free, press the wiring tab and disconnect the connector to remove the assembly completely, then inspect bulb sockets and rubber seals for wear. If replacing bulbs, change them now and test the connector by briefly reconnecting the battery to verify brake, turn, and reverse functions. Reinstall the assembly, align the tabs, and tighten fasteners while checking that gaps and paint remain undamaged.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.